The difference between solar energy and the conventional type of energy that we are all used to is where it comes from. Our solar energy comes locally, from the sun, from our roofs, our buildings, right into the utility grid. And the amount of energy loss is minimal. When we're getting energy manufactured from the more conventional means, it could be a hydroelectric plant, it could be a geothermal plant, it could be a nuclear or coal-fired power plant thousands of miles away. And with solar energy, we are making it and using it locally. My name is Jerry Schaefer. I'm the owner of Affinity Solar Energy. We're a locally owned and operated Windsor-based company. We are a full-service general and solar contractor. For us, there is no atypical solar electric installation. We have systems that we have designed that go on roofs of homes, roofs of businesses, on the ground, whether they're fixed or tracking. It really depends on what the environment actually, what we can do for the environment to be an asset to it, not not an eyesore.
All sites are different. Every older building that is constructed is a different sort of building in a different type of a situation. The way the sun hits it is different, and the way that the roof, like in our case, it's very different because the roof is curved. And we wanted it to look like, it would look nice on it. It also is, they need to be engineered for a particular roof and a particular application. So it's very important to have those things taken care of. My name is Mark Sell. I'm president of Sebastopol Hardware Center, and we are located in Sebastopol at the top of the hill in Sebastopol on Gravenstein Highway. On our roof, we have installed 256 solar photovoltaic panels that power our store for the most part throughout much of the year. Now let's go downstairs and take a look at what this is doing for us in the long term. This is the business end of the system. Power comes down from the roof, goes through these inverters, and it produces up to 40 kilowatts of power. Our store uses up to 45 kilowatts, so it covers most of our electrical needs. As a matter of fact, today it's almost running backwards, and some days it runs backwards all day.
What is very important to us is to not just get the word out there that we are another company. We are a little bit different. For example, we had the Solar Fair for Sonoma County. It's really the first annual fair that we have done, which is a county-wide fair for really solar, presenting solar to Sonoma County.
So the June 20th Solar Fair that we did was the first time that we worked with Affinity Energy, and they were fantastic. I have never been so pleased with working with a solar vendor before in doing an event like that. My name is Rusty Woods. I'm a musician and an event promoter.
Our primary manufacturer of solar modules comes from Sharp Electronics. And they have been, they're the only manufacturers that have been in business nearly 50 years. They are a well-known, well-documented manufacturer. They are manufactured all over the world. The majority of our products that we get from them are manufactured here in the United States and Tennessee.
My name is Don Lipmanson. I'm a partner of Jennifer Bice, the owner of Redwood Hill Farm and Creamery. We have 4 large solar panels that are used to heat the water that cleans the milking system after the goats have been milked at high temperature. Another application is that it heats the domestic water for our house, which is right next to the dairy, and we also use it to heat the solar hot tub.
Well, Redwood Hills Farm was a unique type of application. Because it's a dairy, it works 7 days a week. And we designed our system not only to work in the middle of summer, but to work in the early spring through fall. And we wanted to create enough heat energy for them to really reduce their need for fossil fuel heating, for their sterilizing, for their cleaning, for everything that's being done throughout the dairy and throughout the home. Our solar thermal products that we use are manufactured by Heliodyne. They're a locally based company based here in the Bay Area. We have been using their products for over 10 years. They've been manufacturing products, again, here locally in the Bay Area since 1976. Their quality, their efficiency are all rated really one of the best. As an option, what a customer has, if they're really interested in looking for solar energy for their home, is that they can go to, one of many ways is our website, and that's affinityenergy.com.